then the next row down from that is the bookmarks bar. Right underneath there, you have to go turn that on in settings, the bookmarks bar. But those are things you use not as much as the open tabs, but almost as much. Maybe your banking info is on there. Something you use once a week. Things you use every day on the tabs, permanent tabs. Things you use every week on the bookmarks bar. And then there's a place you can put temporary stuff, the reading list. It's in the upper right-hand corner. It's a little square icon that's half white and half not white. That you can click and it'll save the current tab. Now, the problem is when people do that, they just keep adding them and you've got 100 on there. Although I'm not sure Google lets you do that. The idea with these tools that are temporary is, okay, I'm going to save that there until I have somewhere else to put it. Maybe I'm going to save it to Google Keep. Maybe I'm going to save it to Evernote. Maybe I'm going to send it to somebody later. But it's really important to manage these things and so that you don't end up with 100 stuff on there. So once you've done whatever it is you do with that quick save, then you get rid of it in your reading list.